real.
P equals to
38.
plus, Q equals to minus, R is equal to into, and S is equals to column. Then insert the proper notation between the successive number in the equation 12, 3, 5, 3, 10 equal to 17.
Real, your voice is low a little bit.
Am I audible now?
Now you're audible.
Huh.
So tell the demand, real.
See, the notation has been given and the number equation has been given. We have to put
Hmm.
notation in the equation.
Hmm.
First, we
Basically,
have to find out the series.
hmm. They have already given this number and they have given this instructions. We have to put these instructions here and you have to set ki which is actually right. So guys, you know what? In this types of question, guys, one thing let me tell you. See, guys, here there is no competition for getting the right answer, guys. Here there is a competition for getting the right answer immediately. Let me tell you, if I give you guys 5 minutes, na, you guys will be able to solve this question, guys. But guys, you will be behind the race. Let me tell you. So guys, what should be the approach basically here to solve this kind of question basically? So guys, you know what? You think that yes equal to
He,
Column.
he's to
ratio,
ratio.
Hmm.
ratio or division, whatever you want to say. So guys,
Mm-hmm.
tell me where should be? Either it should be here, either it should be here. Because see, ratio can be here, guys. Which can be divided because ratio cannot be here basically. See, guys, here I mean 3 or 15. So ratio will be either here 15 or 13 or 12 or 13, guys. But see, guys, here we want here 17, guys. So it means what, guys? We want here larger number as well. Hmm. So guys, so it means what? A larger number means what? 15. So here I want what? R in the middle position. So that it should become 45. So let's check option number one. So see P here P equal to plus 3. Then R equal to into 15. And here yes equal to division 3. Then Q equal to minus 10. And now the result should be 17. So guys, if you follow the BODMAS rule, guys, so it will be basically, you know what? It will be 5 because it is division and minus 10. So now it
15.
will be 15, 10. 27 minus 10 equal to 17. See, first is the right. Oth- Otherwise, you know what? That poor girl, you know what? Poor girl will check all the number. Then she will arrange. But you know what? I know that. Here I want 17. So here I have to be take a multiplication with larger number, guys. Here. So larger number is 15, guys. That's why I have taken here R, guys. And R in the here only first option, the second number. See? So this is what I'm saying, guys. The guys game is what? Game is what about time management, guys. Let me tell you. What you tell?
Okay, Manish. But C17 is to is there while
No, no. This is 17 only, poor girl. This is full stop basically, and nothing. Hmm. After 17, there's a full stop, not any other number. Hmm. See, guys, this is very easy question, guys. I want you guys to solve this question.
if
Read
n
this
is a
question.
natural number, what is the number of distinct reminders obtained when 3 power n plus 4 power n plus 5 power n is divided by 6?
6. Tell Priya, how will you solve this question? I told you this. Tell.
See, a remainder is asking. So
Hmm.
uh, we will divide by 6.
Hmm.
Okay. We'll take out now LCM.
See here we have to get now Manish even number. So no two only two odds should be there. Like
Where it is written, we
first
have to get the even number.
What
Hmm.
field? Two
Where it
odd
is.
number and one even number should be there. So we can take now if 3 power 1 like this.
How
3
would
3
how
6.
would you know, Bhagya, that we ought to get the even number? Yeah,
Because 6 multiples are
all even.
uh,
That's you're saying.
what is the number of the distinct remainder obtained?
Well, guys, see, guys, you know what, guys? Let me tell you. Question is saying कि what value I should put of n so that number should be divisible by 6 and more on distinct distinct remainder
Distinct
should be there.
remainder.
First it should be divisible by 6. Then after that distinct remainder, guys. So guys, you know what? In these types of question, guys, one thing always follow. You know what? Always start with 1. Suppose that in n I am taking 1, guys. So it will become 3, it will become 4, it will become 5. It is 12. It
Zero
means
remainder.
remainder is 0. Now n equal to 2. So it will become 9, it will become 16, it will become 25. Now count total. Real count total.
50.
25 plus 50.
50. Remainder is 2. Now take n equal to 3.
3.
So it will become 27, it will become
64.
64, and it will become
125.
125. Count total.
27, 64, 54,
118.
9.
218.
216.